Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. For this one, I'm going to be showing you a small trick to help you be better organizing your datasheet. Today we'll be using Google Sheets for our work, and we'll be learning how to look for and automatically highlight all duplicate data in each cell. Let's dive right in. First off, what we need is a set of data, of course. Here we have a standard record for a certain list of people that includes the name, hometown, and their birthdays. As you can see here, there are a bunch that has been duplicated and we simply do not need them on the list that we have. In order to start the process, we are going on right ahead and highlighting everything on the list. The easiest way to do that is to click on the uppermost section of the sheet with letters as indicators on top. After we have highlighted the portion where we want our duplicates to be found in, we are going to be going on ahead by clicking on the conditional formatting button, which is either at the tools bar under format or by right-clicking on the data cells itself and clicking on view more cell functions, then conditional formatting. Both are going to point you towards the right side of the screen where you can input your conditional statements and what you want them to do. Let's click on the format cells if button, then go all the way down to custom formula is. Afterwards, we will type in the conditional statement which we want to happen, starting with the code like so, and your starting cell, and column, and starting cell once more, finishing it with this code. Underneath all that is what you want the code to do, whether you want the font to be in bold, italicized, highlighted, and change its color as well. Afterwards, you are going to see all duplicates highlighted like so. Now let's try it again on the next few columns, following the same steps of highlighting, conditional formatting, and putting in our conditional statement. Now once more in the third column. And there you have it. You can now easily find and highlight your duplicated data in each cell. Thank you so much for watching.